Is that normal? Fuck. Hey YouTube. I'm back with a project bike. It's only about, what, 7 or 8 years late. We're starting a new project. This time it's a chopper. This here is a 1998 Harley Davidson Sportster. It's an 883, but I guess it's been upgraded to a 1200. I'm gonna chop it. I got a lot of tools that I've never used. So let's go on this journey. I'm gonna learn how to do this as I go. Step one is, let's take everything apart. All right, maybe it's just me, but every time I've ever opened like hand controls, bar controls on a classic bike, or not a classic necessarily, but an old bike, there's always a little spider nest inside. Never fails. So I think this should be the hardtail kit arriving. We'll see. Sweet. So it was in fact the hardtail. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. I got the lowbrow one. I just like this piece a little bit more instead of having that kind of hump that comes out on some of the other kits. It just is more flat. But that's really about it. Nice and narrow. I'm stoked. Should be a lot of fun. This is the end of day one, but obviously still not done. I got most of the front taken care of. I'm kind of working my way back. Tank off, obviously got the carb out. Turns out this thing actually has a Mikuni carb setup, so that's pretty cool. I think that's different. I don't know if that's part of the Screamin' Eagle package or whatever it's called, but yeah, that's cool. The exhaust as well was I think part of it. Screamin' Eagle 2. I truly don't know. It's taken me longer than I thought it would. I'm not sure why I thought it would be quicker. I'm not familiar with Harleys, obviously. But yeah, I'll pick it back up and get it all stripped down soon. So I have the bike pretty much fully stripped down. Took me like 2 days. I don't know how long exactly. The only thing that's left really is just the wiring harness that's still attached in a couple spots, and I couldn't figure out this connector here. It looks really simple. Maybe I'm just a baby and I don't want to pull too hard, but I figured I'm just gonna get the motor out of the frame now. I think it'll come out. I just need to undo some last few things. I think I'm just gonna try and tip the whole thing over and pull the frame out. I might watch a video or two first because I've never done it, but that's the next step. And then I guess it's time to measure and cut the frame. Let's do it. This is gonna be pretty janky. I have just an ass load of cardboard for buying all these tools. So my plan is to just tip it over onto the cardboard, undo the last couple bolts, and then pull the frame off. Pay no attention to the leak there. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I figure it should be fine. Yeah, so that's the plan. Let's do it, I guess. All right, well, here goes. This is not going how I thought it would, but that's all right. We'll figure it out. There's also oil everywhere. It's really slippery, and I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like we're close, kinda. I just don't understand. It keeps hitting up here, and it hasn't cleared down here, which makes me think I need to rotate it, but then it hits down here. Whew, some free bungs. That's cool. Okay, let's see if that did it. Oh, fuck. There we go. I feel so dumb. Motor is out of the frame. It was a lot harder than I thought it would be. I did not expect these little bungs that hold the tank on to get in the way like they did. So don't make that mistake if you're also doing this. Yeah, I feel dumb, but mission accomplished, so I can't be that dumb, right? But yeah, I'm excited. Now this is kind of the start of the build. I've got some parts over there from TC Bros. Got to figure out where I'm going to put this motor while I work on the frame. Let's do it. I'm excited.